Okay, platypuses, let's get ready for our English lesson. Okay, this week you've been learning all about the Great Fire of London and we're going to continue with it again today. So your learning question today is, can I unscramble sentences about the Great Fire of London? And on this page there is a picture and I want you to think about, what does the word scrambled mean? And there is a clue in the picture. Okay, have a look at the picture. Have a little bit of a thinking time. See if you can figure out, what does that word scrambled mean? Because you're going to need to know that to answer, to do your work today. Okay? Did you have a think about it? Okay, scrambled means all mixed up. Just like these scrambled eggs on the picture. I am going to now show you how you're going to unscramble sentences. So what we need to do is, these sentences here are all scrambled up, okay? Can you unscramble these sentences so they make sense? Let's do them together. So the first sentence is, well, doesn't really make sense. It says, football, the, kicked, girl, the. Okay, that doesn't make sense at all. So I want you to have a think about, what should go first, okay? Which word should go after that? There is a bit of a clue there, because actually we've got a full stop and we've got a capital letter on this word. So that will give you a bit of a clue where the words should go. So have a think about it. You can pause the video if you like to have a go. Have a go maybe at writing it down in your book. Okay, let's see what the answer should be. Right, so as you can see, this sentence now makes sense. It says, the girl kicked the football. The capital letter is at the beginning and the full stop is at the end. Now, what I'd like you to do is, I'd like you to do the same with these next two sentences. So this says, 7 week days A has. I want you to put that into order. Make sure you've got your capital letter and full stop in the right place. And this one here too. This one says, fruit, our favourite bananas. Okay, so pause the video, have a go at putting those words in order so that your sentence makes sense, and then we'll check them together. Right, are you ready to check your answers? Okay, let's see how you got on. Let's do the first one. Okay, so this sentence now becomes, a week has 7 days. Can you see there's a capital letter at the beginning and a full stop at the end? Let's do the last one. Let's see what this one should look like. Okay, so there was a clue there. Okay, bananas has a capital letter, so we know that bananas will go at the beginning, and we know that there's a capital letter after fruit, so that will go at the end. So the sentence now becomes, bananas are my favourite fruit. Okay, right. Now, let's have a look at these sentences here. Now, these ones are a little bit trickier because they have no capital letters or full stops. And the last one is about the Great Fire of London. So let's have a look at the first one together. So the words here are morning, teacher, the, register, the, took. Okay, have a think about it. What should this sentence be? Pause the video, okay? Have a go at writing it down, and we're just going to check this one together. How did you get on? Did you figure out what the sentence should say so that it makes sense? I'm going to show you. Okay, so you can see now that this makes sense. It should say, the teacher took the morning register. Can you see that there is a capital T at the beginning and a full stop at the end? I would like you to do the same with the next two sentences. So this one is, closed the holidays is school in. And the last one is, fire the a bakery in started. Have a go at putting those in the right order. Pause the video, have a go at writing them down. Okay, are you ready to check your answers? Let's see. Okay, so the first one should be, school is closed in the holidays. There's a capital letter at the beginning and a full stop at the end. And the last one, which is about the Great Fire of London, should say, the fire started in a bakery. Okay, there's a capital letter here and there's a full stop at the end. Okay, I hope that you managed to get all of those ones right. Okay, I'm going to explain your activity then today. So I've uploaded some sheets with some unscrambled sentences. So your job today is to unscramble the sentences on the work. So actually, I've put some scrambled sentences on uploaded for you. Your job is to unscramble the sentences on the worksheet so that they make sense. They are all mixed up on the worksheet, okay? So you need to put them in order. You also need to add the correct punctuation, but you will see those uploaded onto our Google Classroom. They are exactly the same kind of thing as what we've just been doing in the examples. Now, if you finish your work, there is an extra challenge, okay? And the challenge is, can you edit these sentences about the Great Fire of London? This will be on I'll upload this PowerPoint as well, so this will be there for you to look at afterwards. You can see that on one side, there is a sentence, but there is something wrong with it. There's something wrong with it. You need to, and actually on this side, it tells you the kind of things that you need to look for. On this side, it tells you that there are 2 missing words. Can you see that there's a line here, which means that there are 2 words missing? You need to add some punctuation. There are 3 bits of punctuation missing in this sentence. So that's for that one. And again, it's the same for these ones, but there are different things missing. Again, you've got missing words, punctuation. In this one, you've got 2 spellings. So there are 2 spellings that are wrong here. Okay, and for this one, again, missing words, punctuation, and spelling. So that is your challenge today. I will put the answers to your worksheets upon Google Classroom tomorrow so that you can then check whether you got them all right. Okay, so good luck with unscrambling those sentences.